This residence is conceived as an architecture born from a serene dialogue between the building and the surrounding desert landscape. Rather than appearing dominant, the house chooses to lower itself, following the horizon line of the mountains and the naturally formed expanse of dry land. This attitude emphasizes that architecture does not always have to be the center of attention, but can act as a backdrop that enhances the presence of nature. The building's mass is designed to be low and elongated, creating a stable and controlled horizontal composition. Light-colored stone walls serve as a protective element, reducing heat while creating a sense of solidity and permanence. Meanwhile, large glass surfaces introduce transparency, opening the house to the garden and landscape without compromising the privacy of its occupants. The transition between indoor and outdoor spaces is a key theme in the design. Sliding glass doors allow the living room, kitchen, and dining area to merge with the open terrace. Physical boundaries become fluid, allowing daily activities to take place alongside natural light, air movement, and changing atmospheres throughout the day. The outdoor space is not treated as an accessory, but as an equal living space. An open seating area with a fire element creates a hub for social activity, especially in the afternoon and evening. Here, the architecture serves as a frame, guiding the view while creating a sense of shelter amidst the open landscape. Materials were chosen with an honest and restrained approach. Natural stone, concrete, steel, and wood are combined without excessive ornamentation, highlighting the original character of each material. Wood provides warmth and visual balance to the dominant mineral elements, while the metal structure emphasizes a bold and precise contemporary expression. The landscape is designed in harmony with the dry climate, utilizing local vegetation that adapts to the environmental conditions. Cacti, low shrubs, and gravel surfaces not only reinforce the visual identity but also reflect an awareness of water efficiency and long-term sustainability. Nature is not subdued, but rather invited to collaborate. This house represents an architecture that places serenity as a primary value. Through its simple composition, fluid spatial relationships, and respect for the natural context, this residence demonstrates that architectural quality often arises from the decision to exercise restraint, listen to the site, and design with full awareness of its surroundings.